So the main trick is when you're cleaning a bath is to get all the dust from the outside the edges where the tiles are, bring it all down to the floor because you're going to vacuum after anyway, and spray the tiles down, bring all the dirt and crumbs off the edge. Sometimes there's hairspray on tiles, takes a little bit to get off. As you can see, I'm struggling there. And then you just dust down. So make sure you get all the dust from around the edges, under anything that's around the bath. Bring it into the bath, all edges, all the dust, bring it down, and then wipe down each of the ledges. Bring it down, all the way down to the bottom, get rid of all that sticky dust. More product is better. I like to do this method because it's less water. I don't typically use water, but with this bath you do have to because it's got those non-slip sticky adhesive strips down the bottom and they're really hard to clean. So you'll see soon what I do with that. So I'll just turn on the tap. If it has a pull-out tap like this, it's really handy. Otherwise you can use a bucket and just wet the bottom, get rid of all the dust down the drain, and then you just wipe around the sticky adhesive, because obviously if you wipe over the sticky adhesive, it's just going to leave dust from your cloth. And then what I like to do at the end is just go through with all those hard spots that I couldn't get, just touch them, get rid of them. Sometimes you can use a magic eraser, which does help with like crayons and that sort of thing. And obviously just the taps, get rid of all the dust on there. A little bit more product, and then around the base of the tap. And then, as you can't see there, I'm going over the tap handle as well, where the dust sits in between the bolt and the tap itself. Still trying to get those little sticky marks. And I just find this is the quickest way to clean a bath rather than using water and soap. It takes a lot longer to get rid of soap suds. And yeah, so the product I use is from the Cleaning Fairies. It's the mint sanitizer. It's a mixture of alcohol and essential oil peppermint. I hope you enjoy.